Hello lovely viewers, welcome to Tech Monk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your fingerprint to open your WhatsApp to prevent your privacy and also to prevent anyone from going to your chat whilst you are not aware. Before we move further to this video, please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Give a like tab to this video and also comment. So let's move straight into today's video. Move to your WhatsApp business. As you can see, this is the WhatsApp business, and then select it. After opening your WhatsApp business, select the three dots on your right hand side, as you can see. And then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, this interview will be displayed. Look for privacy and then tap on it. This is the privacy, so then tap on it. After tapping on the privacy, scroll down, and then as you can see here, fingerprint lock disabled. So you are going to tap on the fingerprint lock and then make sure to turn this button on. So after turning it on, and then it tells you to confirm your fingerprint, so you just put your fingerprint at the place your fingerprint is. So this interface has been displayed. Make sure to put your automatic lock at immediate, so that whenever you are out of WhatsApp and then you come back, still it needs verification of fingerprint before you are able to open your WhatsApp. So let me see whether it worked. So I tap on WhatsApp and then it's asking me then I verify my fingerprint. That's all for today's video. Please follow my channel if you are new here. Give a like thumb to this video. Bye bye.